Check this out, check this out. You guys are heroes and you're a mate. So in my last video upload, I got to ride in Houston's Mansory Veyron. We made a bit of a deal. If we could get his YouTube channel to 55,000 subscribers, he's gonna let me drive the car in 12 hours. I kid you not, the Strad Squad, he underestimated you guys. He's already surpassed 58,000 subscribers. Houston, I'll be calling you shortly. Driving a Veyron, that's not even something you dream about as a kid because it's not a possibility. I'm gonna be driving it thanks to you guys. So yeah, thank you, thank you. 2 vlogs ago, I triggered the squad. I made a mistake. Unbeknownst to me, I had no idea that the Blue Bunny squad was so strong. I made a mistake, I messed up, I said things that I regret. Well, let's roll the footage. Unfortunately, they didn't have a Klondike bar. This is like an off-brand Blue Bunny. Never heard of it, but it's cookies and cream. Should be pretty good.
Off-brand?
Yeah, it's kind of like a poverty spec Klondike bar.
Yeah, it's kind of like a poverty spec Klondike bar.
We're gonna find out which is better, Blue Bunny or Klondike bar. Dun, 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 dun. On that video, which has been viewed nearly 200,000 times, the #1 comment, it had nothing to do with the 700 horsepower Ferrari F12 that I was driving. It was all about Klondike versus Blue Bunny. And so, without further ado, this is an unbiased review, even though I have a bit of a bias towards Klondike bar. It's an unbiased review of Blue Bunny versus Klondike bar. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. That's right. Oh, no. Are you kidding me? Oh, who invited this guy? Are you? I'm not letting you snake the viewers. That is not gonna happen. Just give me my Blue Bunny. This is the dumbest thing I've ever done. I'm sorry. Klondike is thinks he's so much
your Blue
better
Bunny,
than all of us
whatever,
because he has his
whatever. I'm
fancy
gonna have-
Klondike bar.
Okay,
What would
guys.
you do for a Klondike bar?
Jealous.
No, let's
You're
just
just
eat
jealous.
and let's find out which is better, Klondike versus Blue Bunny.
Here we go.
Here we go. Yeah, you deal with your Klondike bar. Wow. Oh, wow. Not a paid product placement, but Blue Bunny, like, if you want to sponsor me,
Wow.
like, just call me maybe. Call me maybe.
I'm telling you, it's not a paid product placement for Klondike bar, but man, if it could be, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, that was so good.
Whoa, you wanna go? You wanna go? Are you kidding?
He always does this.
As most of you guys know, I just got back from Los Angeles and the Audi R8. I put like 2,000 miles on the car and now it's due for its annual servicing. So I gotta buy a bunch of parts online. I need an oil filter, an air filter, a cabin filter, serpentine belt. I need oil and I need a new battery because when the car was up at the body shop getting the front end repaired, it kept dying on the guys as well. So I need to buy all of those things online. But as luck would have it, I'm excited to announce that today's video has been sponsored by Honey. Now I did a video with them, I don't know, about a month ago, and ever since then, I have been saving money like every single day. If you're unfamiliar, Honey is a free web browser extension that automatically scours the internet looking for different coupon codes to save you guys money. I wanna show you guys the power of Honey. We're gonna buy all of these parts online and save some money. Check this out, check this out. So I have a 2009 Audi R8 V8. I know, trust me, I wish it was a V10 as well. It's got the 4.2 liter, so I need to get spark plugs. One of the good things about having a V8 Audi R8 is that I only need 8 spark plugs instead of 10. So I need to get air filters as well. I'm gonna go with the K&N. I need a serpentine belt, I need a battery, and I need an oil filter. Everything's like ordered now. $748.84. I'm just gonna hit apply coupons and check this out. Honey is working in the background, scouring the internet, looking for any applicable coupon codes. Come on, Honey, big money. So Honey, they just saved us $99.99. And I think I mentioned earlier, Honey's completely free. It's super easy to install. Simply go to joinhoney.com/Stradman, click add Honey, add the extension, and bada bing, that's it, and it's completely 100% free. Honestly, there's no reason not to do it. First off, it's free. It takes 2 clicks, and it saves you money instantly. So check out the link in the description below, or simply go to joinhoney.com/Stradman to start saving money today. Parts have all been ordered. Finally, the Lamborghini, the mods are here. So, we gotta open this thing up. I need some scissors. If you think I'm acting like a hysterical kid because I'm excited, it's because I'm very excited. RSC tuning, if you know your Lambo stuff, well, you know what this is. I present to you, for the first time, dude, here it is, the new carbon fiber Superleggera style wing for my Gallardo. It's like completely weightless. What? So well, it's not a fun fact, it's a sad fact. My Lamborghini Gallardo has 0 carbon fiber. But after this is installed, oh my goodness. As you might say, now we're rolling, now we're rolling. I need to remove the factory integrated spoiler and then we can install this thing. But first, let's take it outside and check out the weave. Are you serious? That looks so good. This weave is like perfect. Obviously I have fingerprints all over it because I got a little bit excited, but check that out. Wow. All right, we gotta get this thing installed ASAP. I need to rotate the Gallardo 180 degrees for better lighting, which is good because that means we're gonna get a cold startup, a 10-day cold startup on a 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo. Do you guys ever start a project and know that it should be very easy, yet you still know that it's not gonna be? This is one of those projects. Ow! Oh! Oh! One thing that you never should do in life is get your leg up against a hot exhaust. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm gonna live. I want to make something very clear. This is not a how-to video in any way, shape, or form. This is an idiot working on his Lamborghini. Disclaimer, as you do. We have bolts here, and on the other side as well. That should drop this plastic piece down, and then we can gain access to the bolts to remove the spoiler. Obviously we got the backup camera, we got this third brake light, so we need to remove the electrical connections for that as well. We're doing good, we're doing great, we're doing killer, we're killing it. We're 2 minutes in. Now, if you guys know anything about C-clips, they are my worst nightmare. Because if you lose them, this is the C-clip. Obviously it's very small. If you lose it, that's a bad day. And today's a good day, so we don't want to lose these. Do you guys remember what I was just saying about not losing a C-clip? I've done it. However, I was prepared. So I put a blanket over the engine bay, and you can see, right down, focus. Right there it is. Thankfully, the blanket saved my bacon. There it is. The integrated rear spoiler has been completely removed. We're rolling. Where to set it? More to come. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe a wall piece someday in the future. I'm not sure, more to come. This is our first look at what the spoiler will look like once it's mounted on the car. Are you kidding me? That looks so good. Imagine that, I messed up. I made a mistake. Not a drastic mistake, but a mistake nonetheless. I got the backing plate for the backup camera. However, the backup camera, it kind of goes in like this. Well, I forgot to order the plate that mounts the backup camera to this carbon fiber piece. Now this carbon fiber piece right here, it goes in kind of like so. I just put in an order for that backing plate and it's gonna be here soon. And when I say soon, I don't know. More to come. Girth Nation, goodness gracious, Girth Nation, have yourself a good morning, a good evening, and a good night. There's two things I want to note. The first thing is that the wing has not fallen off, and the second thing is that the backflip vlog, well, it's back, and well, it's probably worse than ever, honestly, because I haven't done it in a while. Check out this 3/4 angle. I don't know what it is about the Gallardo, but it just looks properly good with the wing. Look at that carbon fiber glistening here under the Utah sun. And yes, the observant viewer would note this is duct tape right here. This is the wiring for the backup camera. As soon as I get that plate, I'll install it. And if you're wondering, yes, it's nearly impossible to see out of this car without a backup camera. Also, I should have done this wing the day I bought it, which would have been like 2.5 years ago, because it looks so much better. So in the comments below, let me know, what do you guys think? What should be the next mod to the Gallardo? Obviously the LP560 bumper would be very cool. Go check out RSC Tuning. They have all sorts of stuff. They have carbon mirrors as well. which would also be very cool. Now, more importantly, I'm waiting around for Clayton and Faith. It's Clayton, it's Faith.
This car is for sale.
Oh, really? Oh, there's a link in the description below if you want to buy Faith's GTI. Is this a tungsten gray? So ladies and gentlemen, today's video is effectively over, but first, I have to go break my neck attempting a backflip. So you probably want to stay tuned, and then the video will be over, so. Hey, come on, Clayton. All right, I'm out here, guys. I'm working hard for you. I'm dying out here, but I'm getting those angles. I'm getting those clips. And gentlemen, all the way from Michigan, we have Clayton Stark. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Clarkson, Michigan, standing 5 foot 2 inches, we have Faith.
Oh, okay, all right. Oh, yeah.
I thought that was good. That wasn't a step.
You have to land it and be done.
This isn't the Olympics.
It is the Olympics.
It's like a Russian judge right now. Are you kidding me? Today's video is over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.